To reset the voicemail password on a Samsung S25, it actually involves steps that can vary depending on your mobile carrier. But here I can show you some general guide to assist you, and then I'm going to show you also some for Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T. So let's start by opening the phone dialer. Now you have to click on the three dots, go to settings, and when you are here, you have to just keep scrolling until you find a voicemail, and here you have to choose to change PIN. But as you can see, in my case, it's not available because my provider doesn't allows me to do this straight from the settings. So if you have the same issue, you can simply contact your carrier. On the AT&T, you can actually log into your account online, navigate to My Devices, add add-ons, and you have to select your device and choose Manage by Device and click to reset the voicemail password. If you have Verizon, then you have to call 611 from your phone, and you have to follow the voice prompts and say reset the voicemail password when prompted. When you get T-Mobile, you have to actually log into your T-Mobile account online or via T-Mobile application by using, for example, the Google Play Store. So you have to get the T-Mobile application. You have to also navigate to the voicemail settings for your line, and then you have to choose the option to reset your voicemail password. If you are with a different carrier or need more specific instruction, it's the best to visit your carrier's official website or contact their customer support directly. They can actually provide detailed guidance tailored to your service. But by following these steps, you should be able to reset your voicemail password and regain access to your messages. Let me know if it helps you.